Your birth date holds secrets. Secrets that can reveal your life's purpose, your greatest strengths, and the challenges you must overcome. Numerology is a doorway to understanding these hidden truths. And today, I'm going to show you how to unlock it. A numerology birth chart is like a treasure map, a map of your life. It reveals the traits you were born with, the lessons you are here to learn, and the destiny you are meant to fulfill. This chart is built using numbers that represent the vibrations you carry. Unlike astrology, which looks to the stars, numerology focuses on numbers and the unique energy they carry. But here's the thing, most people will go through life without ever discovering the insights these numbers can offer. Today, you're about to learn something that many never will. Before we start, make sure you have your full birth date in front of you. You'll also need a pen and paper, or maybe a calculator. We'll be calculating 3 key numbers: the life path number, the destiny number, and the soul urge number. Each of these numbers has something important to tell you. The life path number is the essence of who you are. It represents the path you are meant to walk and the lessons you need to learn. To find it, simply add together all the digits of your birth date. For example, if your birth date is April 12, 1992, you'd add 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2 equals 28. Then reduce it to a single digit, 2 plus 8 equals 10, and then do the same with 10. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Your life path number is 1. This number tells you about your life's purpose. A life path 1 means you are here to be a pioneer, to lead and to blaze new trails. Take a moment to think about it. How has leadership shown up in your life? Have you felt that push to be first, to take the lead? This number can explain a lot about the feelings you've always had. The destiny number is about what you are destined to accomplish. It's calculated using the full name you were given at birth. Now, this might sound a little complex, but don't worry. Let's break it down step by step. Imagine that each letter of your name has a number, and we just need to add all of them together. Here's a chart that shows the numbers for each letter. This is called the Pythagorean chart. Here you have the value of each letter. Pause the video now and copy it down on your paper, or come back to this part later if you need it. Let's say your full name is Mary Jane Smith. First, write down your name, Mary Jane Smith. Then, using the chart, assign a number to each letter. M equals 4, A equals 1, R equals 9 and Y equals 7. So for Mary, you get 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 7 equals 21. Then reduce 21 to a single digit, 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now for Jane, J equals 1, A equals 1, N equals 5 and E equals 5. So for Jane, you get 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 equals 12. Reduce 12 to a single digit, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now for Smith, S equals 1, M equals 4, I equals 9, T equals 2 and H equals 8. So for Smith, you get 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2 plus 8 equals 24. Reduce 24 to a single digit, 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now, add up the numbers for Mary, Jane, and Smith. 3 plus 3 plus 6 equals 12. Reduce 12 to a single digit, 1 plus 2 equals 3. So, Mary Jane Smith's destiny number is 3. This means creativity and communication are key to her success. She is meant to inspire others with her words and ideas. Pause for a moment. Can you see this in yourself or someone you know? Think back to times when you felt most alive. Were you creating something, expressing your ideas? This is no coincidence. The soul urge number, also called the heart's desire number, reveals what drives you at a deep emotional level. To calculate it, focus only on the vowels in your full name. Again, let's use Mary Jane Smith. For Mary, I equals 1, Y equals 7. So for Mary, you get 1 plus 7 equals 8. For Jane, I equals 1, E equals 5. So for Jane, you get 1 plus 5 equals 6. For Smith, there's only one vowel, I equals 9. Now, add the numbers for all the vowels. 8, Mary, plus 6, Jane, plus 9, Smith, equals 23. Reduce 23 to a single digit, 2 plus 3 equals 5. So, the soul urge number for Mary Jane Smith is 5. This means she deeply values freedom and adventure. She craves new experiences and wants to explore the world around her. Let this number guide you. Close your eyes and think, what are the times in your life that felt most in tune with your true self? When were you happiest? The soul urge number holds the key. Now, you have your life path, destiny, and soul urge numbers. Let's revisit what each means and how they connect. Your life path number is the roadmap. It defines where you are going and the major lessons along the way. Your destiny number is the skill set you bring with you. These are the tools in your toolbox. Your soul urge number is the fuel, the deep emotional drive that pushes you forward. Each of these numbers provides a unique piece of the puzzle. Reflect on them. How do these numbers align with your life so far? Do they explain your challenges and triumphs? Let's take it further. Your birth chart doesn't stop with just these numbers. There are layers upon layers of insight. Think of your numbers as the operating system of your life. Just like a computer, when you understand the code, you can make upgrades. The life path tells you how to navigate. But to really make a change, you have to engage with your destiny number, use your natural talents, your creativity, your leadership. That's how you write new chapters in your story. And your soul urge number, that's your heart. It's what makes the journey worthwhile. What good is climbing a mountain if your heart isn't in it? Your soul urge is your why. Have you ever noticed that sometimes, even with the best plans, things just don't work out? Your life path might say you're meant to lead, but if your soul urge is calling for something else, there will always be conflict. Take a moment to reflect on this. Are you living in alignment with your numbers? Or are you fighting against your own nature? The key to fulfillment is not in resisting, but in embracing who you truly are. Imagine your life as a garden. The life path is the blueprint for how the garden should grow. It tells you where to plant each flower. The destiny number is your skill with gardening tools. Are you someone who naturally knows how to nurture and care for your plants? And the soul urge? That's the sunlight. Without it, the garden doesn't thrive. You can have the best plan, the best tools, but without the right light, nothing grows. Now that you know your numbers, let's put this knowledge into action. Take a few minutes right now to think about one area of your life where you feel stuck. Ask yourself, is it because you're ignoring your life path? Are you neglecting your talents, represented by your destiny number? Or are you not feeding your soul with what it craves? Take one small step today that aligns with your numbers. It doesn't have to be huge. Even a single action can begin to change the course of your life. Your life path defines your journey. Your destiny number provides the tools. Your soul urge lights the way. Think about these numbers often. Repeat them to yourself, revisit their meanings. The more you align with these core elements, the more smoothly your life will unfold. Your thoughts aren't just words in your mind. They're blueprints. They shape everything you see and experience. Your beliefs are the architects of your reality. But your actions, those are what bring your beliefs to life. Pause now. Take a deep breath. Feel your numbers guiding you. They are the key to aligning your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions. I want you to leave a comment below. Share your life path number or tell me about the insights you've had from your numbers. Most people will never know what you've learned today, but you have the power to take this knowledge and change your life. If this resonates with you, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more insights like these. Your journey is just beginning. Let's walk it together.